Are you struggling to create an inspiring and productive workspace? Transforming your office into a stunning and functional space is essential for boosting morale and productivity. Our expert office interior designers specialize in creating beautiful, tailored environments that reflect your brand and motivate your team. From concept to completion, we collaborate with you to understand your needs and design a space that fosters collaboration, innovation, and well-being. Imagine walking into a workspace that energizes your team and elevates your brand identity. With our comprehensive design solutions, you can achieve the perfect balance of style and functionality, ensuring that every corner of your office inspires and uplifts. Whether it's open spaces, cozy nooks, or vibrant meeting areas, we have the skills and creativity to bring your vision to life. To know more details, contact us today to get free consultation, or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.